Hello everyone and welcome back to Coin Treasure Hunt. Today we're diving into two incredible coins that might just be hiding in your loose change. The 2007 and 2011 1-penny coins of the United Kingdom. These small copper coins may look ordinary, but some rare versions are selling for surprisingly big money. We'll explore what makes certain 2007 and 2011 pennies valuable, how to spot minting errors, and what collectors are paying right now. So grab your coin collection, sit back, and let's find out if you have a hidden gem that could be worth hundreds or even thousands of pounds. Let's get started. First up in today's video, we are diving deep into the story of the 2007 1-penny coin from the United Kingdom, a small, copper-plated steel coin that continues to surprise collectors all around the world. You might think that a penny isn't worth more than its face value, but what if I told you that some rare variations of the 2007 penny could be worth many times more than 1 pence? Stay with me till the end as we reveal its hidden value, mint details, errors, and collector demand. And don't forget to subscribe if you love discovering the hidden gems in your change jar. The 2007 1-penny coin belongs to the decimal series of British currency, first introduced in 1971 when the UK switched from the old pound, shilling, pence system to the decimal system. By 2007, the coinage had undergone several minor changes in material and minting methods. The Royal Mint was using copper-plated steel since 1992 instead of bronze to reduce costs. Despite being small, the penny carries over 300 years of tradition, featuring the iconic portcullis with chains design, a symbol of Parliament and heritage. This 2007 coin continued that legacy right before the design changed in 2008 to form part of the Shield series. The obverse, or front, of the 2007 1-penny features the fourth definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. This portrait shows Her Majesty facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, and is surrounded by the Latin inscription Elizabeth to DG Reg FD 207. The reverse side carries the portcullis design created by Christopher Ironside, accompanied by the denomination 1 penny. The coin weighs 3.56 grams, has a diameter of 20.3 millimeters, and is made of copper-plated steel with a plain edge. A simple yet elegant design that symbolizes stability in UK currency. In 2007, millions of 1-penny coins were struck for circulation at the Royal Mint in Llantrys, South Wales, while the total mintage exceeded 700 million pieces. What makes this year interesting is the variety in mint condition and quality. Circulation coins were widely used and quickly showed wear, but brilliant uncirculated and proof versions were produced in limited numbers for collectors. These special issues came in annual mint sets, and their fine strike and glossy finish make them far more valuable today than regular circulation coins. Here's where things get exciting. Some 2007 1-penny coins have minting errors that drastically increase their value. For example, misaligned dies, double strikes off center, minting, or missing lettering on the obverse can make a 1p coin worth £10 to £100 or more, depending on condition. A few collectors have also reported planchet flaws, where the steel base shows through the copper coating. These can be quite desirable. Always check both sides of your penny under bright light, as even the smallest error could transform your humble coin into a rare treasure. When it comes to collector interest, the 2007 1-penny coin is often sought after by those who collect full-date runs of British decimals. Coin sets, including 1-penny pieces from 1971 through 2022, have become popular among hobbyists and educators. While the 2007 coin itself isn't classified as rare, collectors still value proof and mint condition examples highly on online marketplaces like eBay and coin forums. Prices range from £1 for circulated pieces up to £10, £25 for uncirculated or proof specimens, and sometimes even more if there's a visible mint error. The condition or grade of your 2007 1-penny plays the most important role in determining its worth. A coin that is heavily circulated, scratched, or discolored will only be worth face value. However, a brilliant uncirculated piece with original mint luster, no marks, and clear details could fetch several pounds. Professional grading services like PCGS or NGC can also certify rare or error examples, which significantly increases their market appeal. Collectors always look for coins in MS65 grade or higher, which are bright and flawless. So what is your 2007 1-penny actually worth? For most circulated coins, the value remains at 1p, but special examples tell a different story. Proof. Coins from official mint sets often sell between £3 and £10, while brilliant uncirculated coins can reach £5, £15. If you're lucky enough to own an era penny, depending on rarity, it could go up to £50 to £100. That's a huge return for something you might find in your pocket change. Always keep your eyes open for unusual color, texture, or alignment differences. These are the keys to identifying valuable coins. If you plan to start or expand your coin collection, begin by storing your coins in acid-free holders or coin capsules to prevent rust and discoloration. Never clean a coin with chemicals, as it can reduce its value dramatically. Instead, handle it carefully by the edges and store it in a cool, dry place, keeping detailed notes about where and when you found each coin. Also adds personal history to your collection over time. Even common coins like the 2007 1 penny can become part of a valuable set that represents decades of British history. Thank you so much for watching this detailed exploration of the 2007 1 penny coin of the United Kingdom. Remember, sometimes the smallest coins hold the biggest stories. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the hidden value of British and world coins, make sure to subscribe, tap the bell icon, and like this video to support the channel. I upload new coin videos every week revealing rare finds, coin errors, and market values you don't want to miss. Leave a comment below about the rarest coin in your collection, and I might feature it in an upcoming video. Until next time, happy collecting, and may your pocket change bring you fortune. Next up today, we are diving deep into the fascinating story of the 2011 1 penny coin of the United Kingdom, a small yet historically rich piece of British currency that continues to attract numismatists worldwide. Whether you found this coin in your change or have it tucked away in your collection, this video will tell you everything you need to know, from its minting details, composition, design, and value to rare errors and how much it could really be worth today. The 2011 1 penny coin was minted by the Royal Mint as part of the decimal coinage system, first introduced in 1971. It belongs to the fourth portrait series of Queen Elizabeth II, featuring her elegant right-facing profile. Designed by Ian Rank broadly, this portrait was used on all UK coins from 1998 to 2015 and is known for its detailed realism and modern touch. The obverse side includes the Latin inscription Elizabeth to DG Reg. FD 2011, meaning Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse side of the coin showcases a segment of the Royal Shield of Arms, designed by Matthew Dent. This shield design was introduced in 2008 and replaced the traditional crown portcullis design that appeared on the penny for decades. The new design was part of a larger series where all denominations from 1p to £1 could be arranged to form the complete royal shield, a creative and symbolic gesture representing the unity of the United Kingdom's heritage. Now let's talk about the coin's technical details. The 2011 UK 1 penny coin was struck in copper-plated steel weighing 3.56 grams with a diameter of 20.3 millimeters. It has a plain edge, giving it a clean, simple finish. The coin was minted in massive quantities for general circulation, but there were also coins struck for brilliant uncirculated boo sets, proof sets, and mint sets, which are the more desirable ones for collectors due to their superior finish and limited mintage. In total, the Royal Mint produced tens of millions of 1p coins in 2011, which makes the circulation version quite common. However, the condition of the coin is the real deciding factor in its value. A circulated example usually holds its face value of 1 penny, but uncirculated or proof coins can fetch more from collectors. For instance, a proof version from the 2011 set can be valued anywhere between £2 and £5, while an error coin can reach much higher values, depending on rarity and demand. Speaking of mint errors, collectors should keep an eye out for rare variants. Some coins have been reported with off-center strikes, double die errors, or wrong planchet errors. These mistakes happen during the minting process and make the coins extremely valuable. A unique error on a 2011 1 penny coin can sell anywhere from £50 to over £200, especially if verified by a professional grading service like NGC or PCGS. If you want to check the authenticity or condition of your coin, always examine it under good lighting and use a magnifying lens. Look for details such as clear lettering, sharp portrait features, and a bright finish. Graded examples in mint state MS65 or higher condition are particularly prized among collectors. These coins often come from mint sets and have been carefully preserved without any wear or contact marks. When it comes to selling or buying these coins, the best options are numismatic fairs. Online auctions like eBay or trusted coin dealers always make sure to compare prices and research recent sale listings before parting with your coin. Collectors value coins that have clear provenance and proper certification. A coin in original mint packaging or part of a sealed proof set can fetch a higher price than a loose coin. The 2011 1-penny coin may seem ordinary, but it represents a fascinating period of British coinage under Queen Elizabeth II's reign. It's part of the modern Shield series that continues to symbolize British strength and continuity for new collectors. This coin offers an affordable and meaningful way to start exploring UK numismatics. For experienced collectors, it's a reminder of the fine craftsmanship and design evolution that the Royal Mint is renowned for. So there you have it, the complete story of the 2011 United Kingdom 1-penny coin. If you've got one in your collection, check it carefully. It might be worth more than you think. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos on rare and valuable coins from around the world. Comment below if you own a 2011 penny and tell us what condition it's in. You might just be sitting on a tiny piece of treasure.